English Kannada travel phrases, as there, equals.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to learn Kannada with a smile? Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Warm up, say hello in Kannada.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Today we'll nail friendly, useful phrases you'll use everywhere. Your goal today. By the end, you'll handle shops, cafes, and directions with confidence. Is there?
ಇದೆಯಾ?
May I?
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
I need.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Where is?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
What is?
ಏನು?
How much does cost?
ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ?
I would like.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Can you?
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Say it with me. Repeat after me. I'll leave a beat for you to echo. Is there water?
ನೀರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
May I come in?
ನಾನು ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದೇ?
I need help.
ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕು.
Where is the restroom?
ಶೌಚಾಲಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
What is this?
ಇದು ಏನು?
How much does this cost?
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ?
I would like coffee, please.
ನನಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Can you open the window?
ನೀವು ಕಿಟಕಿಯನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯಬಹುದೇ?
Mini dialogues. Listen in and picture yourself speaking. Shop. You. Is there a charger?
ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Clerk.
ಹೌದು, ಇದೆ.
Cafe. You. I would like water, please.
ನನಗೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Waiter.
ಸರಿ.
Street. You. Where is the station?
ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
Local.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Straight and left. Market. You. How much does this cost?
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ?
Seller. 200. Photo moment. You. Can you take my photo?
ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದಬಹುದೇ?
Friend. Sure. Street market sketch. Time for a quick, funny scene. Your wallet whispers, before I open, ask the magic words. You grin at a shiny hat and say.
ಇದೆಯಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾತ್ರ?
The seller nods. You follow up like a pro.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ?
Wallet. Permission granted. Quick quiz. Say it in Kannada before I reveal the answer. Ch.14. May I? A.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Ch.2. I need. A.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Ch.3. Where is? A.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
Ch.4. What is? A.
ಏನು?
Ch.5. How much does cost? A.
ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ?
Ch.6. Is there? A.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Ch.7. I would like. A.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Ch.8. Can you? A.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Culture tips. Sound kind, clear, and local friendly. Start politely with, excuse me.
ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ.
Then your question. Add, please.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
To soften requests. Smile and keep your tone warm, especially with.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
If the answer is no,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
just thank them.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Challenge and wrap up. Your mini mission for today. Challenge. Use 3 phrases out loud today, ask directions, order a drink, and check a price. For example,
ಶೌಚಾಲಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? ನನಗೆ ಚಹಾ ಬೇಕು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ?
thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily and replay tough parts. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content. You've got this.